management can help you in everyday life. We all have encountered various projects in our academics, internships, social services, and volunteerism. It is naturally embodied upon us to manage our projects as effectively as possible within the given deadline. Believe me or not, successful people are those who are the best project managers. But it's not something to be chosen or opted in your academics. It all comes with skills and mentoring. Hello and welcome to APP Mindset. In this video, we'll be looking at principles of project management that can help you in everyday life. Watch this video until the last minute to stay motivated and improve your daily lifestyle. Jeff Sutherland said in his wide-selling book, Scrum, The Art of Doing Twice the Work in Half the Time. When you're working on a project, there's a whole mind space that you create around it. You know all the different reasons why something is being done. You're holding a pretty complicated construct in your head. Recreating that construct a week later is hard. You have to remember all the factors that you were considering when you made that choice. That is so true. But with all the projects you work on, you definitely become the master of project management if you execute each project efficiently. But we are not here to tell you about how you can manage a project, but to guide you on how project management can be implemented in your daily lifestyle. Here is how you can do that. Number 1. To-do list. Whenever we have handled a project, the first step to the project is to brainstorm ideas of execution. In that brainstorming, a list of tasks is prepared that needs to be followed to get projects done successfully by the deadline. This process can be mirrored in our daily lifestyle as well. Many of you must be wondering that we all make a list somehow to run our house. But that is not it. The process of a list comes from brainstorming, and brainstorming comes from setting a deadline. Imagine how better it will be when you brainstorm, make a to-do list, and execute on time your son's birthday party plan. In the opposite scenario, even if a thing is left out, we all feel bad about it. Number 2. Clear goal. A project assigned always has a clear goal that has to be met. Goals are meaningful and create a lasting impact. If it's a university project related to fabrication, then the project will be executed with a clear consideration in mind that the fabrication must be done before the deadline. Similarly, when you plan your daily routine, there must be a purpose for it. If you are making a grocery list or general shopping list, then you must have a purpose or goal that what you're shopping for. You must know that if you're adding fettuccine to your grocery list, then your goal is to make pasta this month. If you don't, then you may regret wasting money on that stuff for no reason. Number 3. Budgeting. One of the vital aspects of a project is the budget. Money management is a really important part of the project since the expenditures are too low or too high. There must be an equilibrium with money matters, and that is what a project manager tries to achieve. Apply the money managing and tracking in your daily lifestyle, and you'll see how hassle-free money can be. Long gone will be the days when you had to add or subtract cash in hand to save money for bills or spend over personal items. Personal budget over a spreadsheet or in your diary can help you pay bills on time and track your savings each month. Number 4. Scheduling and splitting work. Scheduling makes work done at the proper intervals of time, hence the completion rate is higher. The same goes for scheduling daily routine, which will save more time and allow more things to be done in less time. However, things will get worse when the entire schedule is disturbed because of one single bottleneck. This happens in projects as well as in daily routine, but project managers know the way out. They work out a way where other tasks are continued in the background while the bottleneck is dealt with simultaneously. For example, the museum opens at 10 in the morning, so you can't wait 2 hours at home. Instead, between 8 to 10, other household chores can be performed that were scheduled for post-museum slot. Effective project management scheduling skills can make life much easier. Number 5. Communication management. This may sound very easy to you whether you are a project manager or not, but communication is a really important skill. If you have command over it, you are the king. Literally. Project managers with communication skills can mold their team to perform the task effectively and efficiently. They know how to talk to people and deal with their issues to make the work flow smoothly. Now imagine when you apply such skill in your personal life. How different things will be when planning a road trip. You'll know who to contact and how to deal with it. Not every person is alike, and talking to them the way you talk to others is like applying the same code to all websites. With effective communication skills, you can talk to that "no, I can't come" friend and the "I don't want that guy to come" friend effectively and convince them all to come for the trip anyway. Project management is a pretty amazing skill that can be useful in your professional as well as personal life. We saw in this video how helpful and easier things can get when we apply these skills in everyday life. Applying project management in everyday life always makes you command your day instead of the day commanding you and make you stressed out. Jeff Sutherland says, "Observar, orientar-se, decidir y actuar, assimilaba," and that translates to observe, orient, decide, and act, assimilate. You have reached the end of the video, and I'm sure you've earned some nitbits through it. Do comment below to tell us which project management skill you follow in your everyday life. I'll be happy to read and reply in the comments.